Motorola Moto X Style, Moto X Pure Edition, Teardown. Video. Remove SIM card tray. Insert eject pin to the small hole to open a gap. You can use heat gun, hair dryer to heat up the rear cover and help adhesive melting. Use guitar picks to cut the strong adhesive underneath this rear cover. Remove back cover. Use T3 Torx screwdriver to twist off all 21 screws. You don't need to remove the silver screw holding the volume buttons down for most tasks, such as replacing the screen, battery, or USB port. Remove two protective rubbers securing the flashlight flex and battery flex connector. Release the flashlight flex and battery flex connector. Remove metal bar securing side buttons. Careful of the extremely tiny springs that provide pressure from the frame to the buttons, then be free to remove side buttons. Remove middle frame bezel. Pull out two battery sticker strips. Loosen the NFC flex connector attached to the battery. Pry up and remove battery. There is no adhesive sticking headphone jack, just use tweezers to remove it. Then peel off the NFC antenna. Release flashlight flex connector connecting side button flex. Take away flashlight flex. Pry up and remove power and volume button flex. Twist off one Torx T3 screw securing motherboard. Release the LCD screen connector here. Release this connector. Separate motherboard assembly from LCD screen assembly. Release front camera flex and remove it. There is adhesive underneath. Pry up and then remove top speaker. Peel off protective tape on the rear camera. Release rear camera flex and then remove the camera. Pry up and remove loudspeaker. Now it leaves the motherboard assembly with some parts like charging port and vibration motor. Remove the LCD shield easily. Finally, it leaves the LCD screen with digitizer and front housing. It is better to replace Moto X style LCD screen and digitizer assembly and front housing together if you have no confidence to remove it without breaking the screen during the repair work.